Hello, Randy Rain here, and I've already done a video on the Duck Dodgers version of these things. Now, I visited my friend down in Austin, and he has every single one of these. All the Warner Brother ones, all the Disney ones, and this Winnie the Pooh one here. Now, they all worked. He showed me they all worked, which I was actually really surprised because these things are like 23 years old. So, they should be breaking about now. And he said to me that the only problem with this one is that the Pooh right here has fallen and it just needs to be stuck back up there. But I don't know. I've been playing with this and I'm going to turn it on and go through it without the audio. And you'll see these balloons up here. They don't work, I don't think, correctly. There's some sort of knocking sound down here. Probably this little kangaroo character, whatever that is. So I'm not convinced it's working perfectly. So let me show you. You see what I mean? Let's get inside, see how it works, see what's wrong with it. I just figured out these are bees. I was wondering what that was. But there's black screws here on this side. Okay, then you kind of have to just pull it out. And then you have to disconnect the switch. There. Okay, we'll take the first panel off. They had some Loctite on those. Okay, this one's very different than the other one. These are like stuck on. It looks like it's almost like wire connectors that they're used to snap these on. Pretty sure that's what that is. Down here in this gearbox, there's the motor, and it's not a 10-tooth or an 8-tooth gear. It's a pulley with a belt. That's different. Okay, yeah, this is definitely some sort of snap-on thing here. And it's got to come off to get this off of here. And it's got a tab down here on freaking both sides that you got to get. Huh. Got it. You can see it's pretty much just like a cable connection. This is one, and Pooh is just double stick tape and fallen. Oh, that one's pretty easy. That one was easy. Oh, here's a little headless donkey. I can tell you, if you don't have a set of picks, put it on your list to get them. I didn't have some for a long time, and I just picked these up, saw them on sale somewhere, and I have used these so much for everything. I better just get it off of there before I fix it. It's just gotten hot in the glue, and it just melted and slid down. Yeah, you can see where it's turned. Okay, this bar can come off. Not sure why there's a black one here. Maybe because you might see those, or if you can look in the side, I don't know. There's silver ones and black ones. And then up here they're not even, they're screws and washers. They run out of screws. This balloon has a screw. I guess you just bend that up like that. Now I guess this whole thing can come off. Let me start here. I guess these things have to come off. And even different kinds of screws here. Gee. Well, there it is. This is, well, from what I can tell and what my friend told me, this is the later one. The Warner Brother ones were the first ones, and then this is like probably might be the last one for all I know. But it's made very different. I can see a broken gear already, and it's over here. This is the only one really using small gears, it looks like. No, I see other ones. I see potential problems. All right, well, let's have a look at it and watch it like this. I'll turn it on. Yep. Okay, so these gearboxes may be using belts, but I still see gears, small gears in there, and I'm pretty sure they're 10-tooth. This is the one to start with. This one does not have a belt on it. It has a worm drive going to a gear that has an 10-tooth on it, it looks like, and that 10-tooth is broken. The worm drive, it looks okay. But this gear, right there, yep, you can see it has the little ridges to hold the gear in place, but the gear is cracked. And so that was the dunk-unk, dunk-unk. The gear wasn't spinning because of those grooves on the shaft, but it was also jumping this big gap right here. So yeah, it's just a 10-tooth. Okay, see if we can watch it. I should fix that part. Oh yeah. Yep, so it might go from a belt to here, but it's going from a gear, small gear, to a big gear. And I'm pretty sure that's a 10-tooth. Okay, well that is a long screw that doesn't seem to be going anywhere. What in the world? The heck is that? Okay, it looks like these plates were used for different things. So, there, come out of there. That's the belt and the gear. Doesn't look like that one is cracked. You know what? This isn't a 10-tooth after all. That's why it's not cracked. This is a 12-tooth gear. I mean, I'll go ahead and replace it. And the belt looks fine. Okay, this is the exact same gearbox, and it has that same 12-tooth, and it's working fine. So I'm not even going to try to take it off, because you'd have to get this thing off, and I'd have to break that. So I don't think I can pry it up enough to get to those screws. So it's working. I think all the mechanics is working now. So now's the question is, can I remember how this went back together? This was the last one. Okay. It went... This thing needs to go. Now this goes that. This bar can go back. Okay, this looks like, I think it went like this. Yeah. Okay, it's time to fix Pooh. I'm just going to use some carpet tape. There we go. Like that. And then this one. This little fella. And I figured out why some of these are silver and some are black. The silver ones go into the metal and the black ones go into the plastic. Oh. Alright, so I made a battery door for one of these things a long time ago and made a mold of it. And it's still good. It's a not original battery door. It's one I just invented. And I don't really have black pigment, so I'm kind of mix and matching here. I'm not so sure I did. Well, it's not quite cured yet, but I just want to see. I got a bubble there, and a bubble there. Take that off. Take that off. Well, it's a battery door. I mean, it's not the best battery door, but there wasn't a battery door there, and now there is, so that's good enough. Inside, the letter of authentication. And these are all numbered. Well, here it is. It's completely finished. It's working perfectly. But I have to admit, I really don't like Winnie the Pooh. And it doesn't do anything for me. And this little one here, it doesn't do anything for me either. I like the Warner Brother ones. Those are the best ones. They actually tell a story because they're taken from the cartoons. So this one, I mean, it just kind of does the same thing over and over. And the closest story is this little groundhog or whatever that is. Anyway, here it is. Check it out for yourself.
Oh, goody! I like parties! So we made it, hip hooray for the Piglet and the Pooh. Piglet and Pooh, we salute you. Stubborn sassafras, beneath the bravery and generosity. What's all this stomping and singing and silly shenanigans? Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! I'm gonna skedaddle. Hip, hip, hooray for Winnie the Pooh! And Piglet, too. Hooray for Piglet and Pooh!
So my friend has every one of these, and there's some Disney ones as well, and I guarantee you every one of those has some sort of broken gear in there, so maybe I'll be doing some more in the future. Anyway, if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a like. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are people bringing you these videos and helping me out, and of course, there's no way on earth I could do this stuff without them. So I thank them oh so very, very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there's some links and perks and what all that. You know all that stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Oh, goody! I like parties! So we made it, hip hooray for the Piglet and the Pooh. Piglet and Pooh, we salute you. Stubborn sassafras, beneath the bravery and generosity. What's all this stomping and singing and silly shenanigans? Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! I'm gonna skedaddle.